2012 Ford Focus here, 4-cylinder, and I'm going to be changing the downstream O2 sensor. Now this is the one I got for it, so let's just get to it and get to working. Alright, so no engine cover. We're going to go right back here. You can see here's the upstream, and right where I'm pointing at is a downstream right there. Okay, there's several ways you could probably get to that. So if you see right there, it comes up all the way up to here. So we're just going to disconnect it. Let's get all that out of our way. And there is something holding it right here. If we can see it, there we go. If the camera will focus, you see a little tab I just pushed up, slide out. Alright, so under the car, oil filter here, right back there, catalytic converter, there it is. I was able to reach up under here, pull down, and break it loose. So now, I'm going to go ahead and move it and put the new one in. And yes, keep this one off the old O2 sensor. Now, I'm going to install a new one. I'm going to snug it up my hand. Unfortunately, I tangled up the wire just a little bit, because I'm holding the camera with one hand instead of holding the other end of the wire. So that'll be alright for now. Alright, I'm going to tighten it up. Now for all the fun stuff. So I'm going to reach all the way back down in here again to where that clip was holding this wire and just pop it in. Then I'm going to bring the wire all the way back up here. And that piece I took off the old one, I'll reuse right here. Put it right back where it was. And then I can see the sensor or the harness there. Plug it back in. Alright, there it is. Downstream O2 sensor is changed. It's really not that bad. I already had the vehicle up changing the clutch actuators, so I was able to just go ahead and crawl up under it and get enough leverage to pull down and loosen it. So it wasn't a big deal. Tried it from up top, couldn't get the leverage I needed. Underneath I could get plenty of leverage. So if you do go under the car, make sure that you have it propped up safely so nothing happens. Now obviously it's pretty cheap, I would say cheap, fairly cheap sensor to change by buying it. If you don't have the O2 sensor socket, to buy it. So you can do yourself at home and save yourself a lot of money. And I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.